how I do titles for all my videos. I come to YouTube Creator AI. I have a short right now I'm working on that I just did about this tool showing finding food topics with this AI tool. So that's what my video is about. I'm basically showing a demo of my AI tool using the topic scout. So I'm going to hit generate titles, and then I'm going to come to the descriptions, hit shorts as well, and put with this AI tool, try for free, YouTubeCreatorAI.com. So I'm going to have it generate descriptions and keywords. And I know this sounds just like a simple title here, but this tool has a specific playbook it follows to make sure it's going to give you the best opportunity to get in the YouTube feed and an algorithm here. So it gives us 5 titles ranked. I'm going to probably use this one here since it's number 5. And then it gives me a video description, and it includes my YouTube Creator AI. It gives me long tail keywords, and it gives me a suggested file name that I can save the video as. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It'll do long form or shorts videos. It's going to rank them for you. Make sure the titles are optimized for a YouTube short. YouTube Creator AI. Check it out.